Now let's look at this figure 22-16 that deals with the largest between the heating or air conditioning load in accordance with 220.60. Now notice 220.60 deals with non-coincidental loads. So when we apply to 20.60, you would look at these two units, and they're both electric. The AC unit is 2.5 kW. Of course, you know, this is the nameplate. And then the blower motor in 220.50, we have a 20 kW unit, 220.51. So comparing just the 20 kW and the 2.5, we're going to have the largest load is the heat. But let's just apply this. Now notice attic fans, 1200 VA, 220.14C, and we have a blower motor in the AC unit. So let's just drop down to step one. 1200 VA at 100% is 1200, and that is the attic fan. The heating load now, 20 kW times 1000 to get rid of the K, times 100% now in accordance with 220.51, we come up with 20,000. The AC unit, will be 2.5 kW times 100% times 1000 to get rid of the K, we come up with 2,500. So we select the largest of them three, and it would be the heat. So the largest load would be 20,000 volt-amps, because you could not use the air conditioner when you're using the heat. You wouldn't use the heat or the air conditioner when you're using the attic fan. So you can see any one of those three loads would not be used together, but just one of these units would be used at one time. So that's what this illustration is pointing out to the user of the NEC.